ready to slay?
Yes.
Have a seat. Maya and her family have been my clients for years now. I'm the only one they trust with their weaves and extensions. First, I'm gonna unveil her beautiful natural curly hair.
I don't understand why she should get the client. I've been here longer than you. Take several seats. Take several.
God, I love it.
You can talk right here. It doesn't matter where you are. You could be in the middle of the desert. All you need are these two.
To be the center of attention.
Yes!
I know that she is jealous. She's all up in my client's face because she really wants to get a taste.
Honestly, she needs to just bring it down a notch.
And if you guys want to see more of us, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you there.